In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage subtasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to add subtasks, how to fill in the important details, and how to keep your workspace tidy and easy to navigate. Let's start from the list view. Open the list that contains the main task you want to break down. Hover your mouse over that main task, and you'll see a small plus icon appear. Click it and choose Add Subtask. Type the name of your subtask, something clear and action-oriented like research. Then press Enter to create it. If you have a few subtasks in mind, you can repeat the same action to add them quickly one after another. Next, open the new subtask so you can add details that make the work unambiguous. Inside the subtask, write a short description or instructions so the purpose is obvious. Assign it to the right person so ownership is clear. Set a due date to keep momentum, and add tags to make filtering and reporting easier later. Choose a priority, high, medium, or low, so everyone understands urgency at a glance. When those fields look good, save the subtask. You can also create subtasks directly from the main task. Open the main task by clicking it, then scroll to the Subtasks section. Click Add Subtask. If you want to start fresh, remove any placeholder subtask first. Give the new subtask a specific name like Research Video Idea, so you always know what success looks like. While you're in the subtask creation panel, take a moment to customize. Select a subtask type if your workspace uses types such as task, goal, or issue. If you have a reusable template, pin it, so recurring subtasks are consistent every time. Assign the subtask to the right person. Set a due date, something like 6th for a clear target, and add any relevant tags, priority, or other fields your team relies on. Then click Save or Create. Remember, a subtask is a full-featured ClickUp task. You can add a detailed description, include checklists, or even create additional subtasks inside it. Attach files or links so context is always at hand, and turn on time tracking if your plan supports it. Subtasks have their own status, can be nested when needed, and can be reordered and prioritized just like any other task. To keep your structure tidy, use subtasks to break big work into clear pieces. Think script writing, research, and outline under a video production task. Avoid nesting too deeply so everything stays easy to read and manage. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.